I'm Corey Halliday and welcome out to this InvestView presentation on technical analysis. I worked previously on Wall Street as a Series 7 licensed general securities representative and then as a Series 4 licensed options principal, where I oversaw the option trading at a New York-based firm. During my time in the last 2 decades in the markets, I've studied technical analysis very in-depth. I've looked at charts for thousands of hours. I've studied setups and understanding of risk management and where to place stops and targets and how to control the risk to reward of various positions, how to average into winning trades and to cut losses. And all of those things that I've learned, we're going to share with you in this program, this technical analysis program. We're going to take you from starter, where you're just beginning, not really understanding what a chart is, trends, momentum. We're going to take you to some of the most advanced setups and strategies out there. Technicals are about defining your risk, about setting up a game plan, understanding where you're wrong and where you're right about the trade. And that's what we're going to teach you. It makes a huge difference to making money in the financial markets. I hope you're excited about it. You're going to learn more than you ever thought possible about charting and technical analysis. Let's get started.